that's... it's good to have some good large traces because then it looks even more real.
Trousers?
I don't know if the wood will be any use.
Try and see, that would stick to the fleece, but it probably wouldn't come off.
No, probably not.
Try a bit, see if it sticks on. If you want a posh wig, you can put it in a wig, no, the wig would come off.
Oh.
I'd have to hold on to it when
Oh, no, that sort of works.
I don't want to move too much once it's on there.
No. The thing is, I'm not a professional woodworker, so I don't know where the dust is going to go.
Well, it's likely to be coming up towards me from what I'm doing.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, you could like start dusting yourself, or the trousers here perhaps, so I don't need to go there with the hoover. And then, no, don't do that, you're putting it on the floor.
So when I'm on the mat?
Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. And you start doing that when I get angry. And like you don't give a shit that I'm angry about you putting the...
So I'll come in, you get cross, and I'll say, oh sorry, and start brushing it off. Yeah.
Yeah, and I get even crosser.
Yeah. Trousers as well, or does it stick?
Not much the wood. Not the light. Oh, you've got a little rondel here.
Oh, yeah.
But otherwise that's
Comes
it.
from a piano.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's not really brilliant.
No.
Okay. I tell you what, I won't do that now. We can do it at the end.
Yeah. So I will come in, I won't say anything. I'll give you 2 minutes hoovering.
Yes.
And I'll stride in over there and you will notice me.
Yes.
But I will have to wait out here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm outside.
Okay. All right. Let's do a bit of hoovering. Look, I've got those lovely yellow gloves just for you. Nice rubber gloves, because we can't do any hoovering without gloves, can we? Well, we can, but we like the gloves. Having carpet in the house, once it's so cozy, it doesn't make
Hello darling, I'm home.
What have you been doing? Don't stand on there.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on a minute. Don't just stand what I just done for everything else. Can't you see?
Oh, it's alright, it'll come up.
Oh, you look so dusty. Have you been painting?
That's alright.
Don't shade. Don't shade. Come on, like a carpet. My mother just doesn't feel like last year. Look at that, rain. He's doing some car repair or something, have you?
Instead of woodworking some plastering.
Oh, right. Well, that's not... I always tell you to change your shirt before you come in. Can't do anything with you, man, can we? Oh,
Well, you're cleaning anyway.
look at the state of you. Oh, good job I've got an empty bag because you've got about 2 kilos of dust in there. Look at that. It's ruining my good carpet, my best carpet. What would you do if I wasn't here?
Just brush it off on the carpet.
It's disgusting. Have you no respect for the house? It's an expensive one, it's pure silk from Persian, that's it.
It's nylon from B&Q, isn't it?
How dare you say my mother offered me a carpet from B&Q? Of course it's not, it's from Persia. She told me she got it in Iran during the war. She came back home robed in it, so to avoid to be kidnapped by God knows who. But you're looking a bit more decent now, at least. Well, look at the rest of the looks on here too. Oh well, that's fine. Not any on you. That's a relief. I don't know where you've been. I think you've just been to the football match, haven't you? With your mates, drinking beer. And you got some around the neck. So you need a good shower after that. You have to think of the trousers. It's terrible. And your socks. That's 4 socks. You know, before you came in, I spent half an hour cleaning that carpet, you know.
They don't keep it that much.
Oh, chill, because I was doing it with really good detail, with a brush. And then I finished it off with my large tool there, because that's the viewers' favourites. By the way, did the hairdresser give you a discount for your highlights?
No, I paid full price for it.
Good price.
Is it much?
I think it's good. Yeah, it's really nice. That's nice.
Well, I do.
Yeah. I think it look better in red though.
Well, we'll do that to change it.
Well,
Unless you
maybe
pay for it.
next time, well, blonde's too desirable. You may get kidnapped by the Persian carpet sellers. Well, show me your back. Have you got anything round the back? No, yeah, you've got still a bit left there. Show me the sort of books so I can move them. That's it, thank you. We don't want any more on the carpet than we need to have. State of that, the state of it. I tell you all this work. This work.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you very much, your cleaner. now. You can go and.
I don't have a shower now.
Well, you can do that, and you can go and see your mates at the pub, can't you, for a
Oh,
minute?
can I?
While I do dinner, yeah. Go on then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
thanks for
thank you
that.
so much.
Well, you're welcome. Now I'm going to carry on doing my cleaning now, don't I? And can't live with them, can't live without them, what a mess. Now what to do with the carpet? Should I do it with a brush? I want to sit on it. That's the worst one too. Like that. Look at all this mess from when you came in. It's disgusting. Look at that. Disgusting. That's my neighbor's just come in. She's going to help me do the sweeping because there's so much dust over there. While he's gone to the pub, it will give me a holiday. We don't want them around too much, do we? Making a mess in our homes. Oh shit. I just thought I've left the roast in the oven. It's going to be overcooked. And now he's gone to the pub. He'll be hours yet watching the football, won't he? I'll just have to eat roast beef on my own. Never mind. Right, I think that's done. Oh, thanks Tina, thanks for giving me a hand, so much appreciate. Cheers then. See you later Tina. Bye bye. Very good flower. Why not? I'll do a bit of can't get my gloves off. They're stuck. Yes, it's on my gloves anyway. You might as well have the other one. You're greedy, aren't you? Not this side. It's like having a pig in the house that Henry just eats everything. Good job, it's a good vacuum cleaner this.